you're still chasing women in 2025, you've already lost. Stop chasing women. You're doing it backwards because it's not looks, not money, it's wiring. 6 behaviors flip her pursuit instinct. This is what changes everything. Habit 1: lead without asking. She tests you every day. Where should we eat? That's not a question, it's a test. Average men freeze. I don't know, what do you want? You just failed. High-value men decide instantly. We're going here, no debate, because uncertainty kills attraction. Certainty triggers safety. Safety triggers surrender. She doesn't want endless options. She wants a man so sure of his path that following feels effortless. Be the period, not the question mark. Habit 2: weaponize silence. Conversation dies. Most men panic like drowning victims. Random facts, forced jokes, their entire life story. She's thinking desperate. I used to do this. Overtalk myself into the friend zone every time. Until I learned, magnetic men sit in silence like it's their throne. Here's the psychology. Silence creates vacuum. Vacuum creates tension. Tension creates chase. She starts wondering what you're thinking. Now she's pursuing your validation. Confidence isn't loud. It's the man who says nothing because his life already says it for him. When you master silence, the world listens. Now when you move, make it count. Habit 3: walk like you own the ground. Your body language broadcasts value before you speak. Slouched shoulders? She sees defeat. Dragging feet? She sees a man life destroyed. But upright posture, chin level, steady purposeful stride. Her hindbrain registers apex. Women are biologically wired to notice men who move like they're going somewhere that matters. Direction equals dominance. Walk like every step has a destination. Because when she sees a man on a mission, her instinct screams, follow him or lose him. Habit 4: control your time, not just your tongue. Can't make it tonight. Got caught up with work and my buddy needed help and traffic was... Stop. You just communicated, I answer to you. High-value response. Can't tonight. She texts, why? Busy. That's it. Kill over explanation. Control your schedule. The man who's not always available is the man she rearranges her plans for. Mystery is attraction fuel. When she doesn't know where you are, who you're with, her imagination runs wild. She starts competing with ghosts. Scarcity of information creates abundance of interest. Habit 5: build an empire she can't ignore. Nuclear truth. If she's your main plot, you already lost. She doesn't want to be your world. She wants a part of your world. While other men chase, you're building. Late nights, tired eyes, quiet wins. That's the empire she notices, not the texts you send. Career domination. Business launch. Mastering your craft. Doesn't matter what. What matters, you're locked into something bigger than her. Women don't fall for men who orbit them like satellites. They fall for suns, men generating their own gravity, their own heat, their own light. Gravity doesn't chase, it pulls. Be so consumed by your purpose that she has to run to keep up. That's when she stops asking, does he like me? And starts asking, does he have room for me? Habit 6: command respect through appearance. No designer labels needed, just standards. Clean haircut every 2 weeks. Clothes that fit your frame, not your father's. Smell like you showered, not bathed in cologne. Trim nails, clear skin. Self-respect is the ultimate aphrodisiac. When you look like you value yourself, she thinks, if he thinks he's worth taking care of, maybe he is. She starts pre-qualifying herself. Am I good enough for him? She dresses better when you're meeting. Fixes her hair twice. She's competing before you even asked. All because you showed up respecting yourself first. Pick one habit, not sick. Master it this week, because attraction isn't a trick or a hack. It's becoming the man who doesn't need to chase because he's too busy building something women want to be part of. You're not here to complete her. You're here to be so complete she wants to earn access. Most men will scroll and forget this. A few will rewrite how they move. Decide who you are before the next round drops. Subscribe if you're one of the few.